Today, I'll show you how to archive an account in Xero. Archiving accounts is a useful way to keep your chart of accounts tidy without permanently deleting anything. It lets you remove accounts you no longer use from your day-to-day screens while still keeping the historical data there for reporting and audit purposes. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your Xero organization as you normally would. You'll need to have the right level of access, typically an advisor or someone with permissions to manage the chart of accounts. Once you're signed in and looking at your main Xero dashboard, you're ready to begin. Next, look along the top menu bar for the Accounting tab. This is where Xero groups most of the tools related to your financial setup and everyday bookkeeping. Click on Accounting and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, select Chart of Accounts. This page is effectively the master list of all the accounts that make up your general ledger. Here you'll see categories like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses, along with all the individual accounts under each category. If you have a lot of accounts, you can use the search box or filters to quickly find the one you want to archive. Take a moment to locate the specific account you'd like to archive. Before you do anything, it's worth double-checking that this account is no longer needed for new transactions. Archiving is reversible in some cases, but it's still best practice to be confident that the account won't be used going forward. Make sure the balance is appropriate and that there are no recurring transactions or tracking rules still relying on this account. Once you've identified the correct account, look to the left of its name for a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select the account. You can usually select more than one account at a time if you need to archive several, but for clarity, you might want to start with just one until you're comfortable with the process. Confirm that you've checked the box next to the correct account code and name to avoid archiving the wrong one. With the account selected, look for the Archive button on the page. This is often located above or below the list of accounts, depending on your screen size and layout. Click Archive. Xero may prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to archive the selected account. Read that message carefully. It will usually explain that the account will no longer be available for new transactions, but any historical transactions and reports will remain intact. Confirm the action if prompted. After that, the account will be moved out of your active chart of accounts. It won't appear as an option when you're coding new transactions, but you'll still see it in past records and relevant reports. And that's it. You've now archived an account in Xero. By regularly archiving accounts you no longer need, you keep your chart of accounts cleaner and easier to work with, which can save you time and reduce errors when you're coding transactions or running reports.